Welcome to 33 Lamar Avenue in Asheville, North Carolina, a perfect home that seamlessly blends modern comfort with timeless elegance. As you enter the home, you are greeted by an inviting open floor plan that encourages connection with loved ones. Whether you're unwinding by the fireplace, preparing meals in the kitchen, or basking in the natural light from the bay windows, this home promotes togetherness. 33 Lamar Avenue has been meticulously maintained and intentionally renovated to include state-of-the-art designer hardware, light fixtures, appliances, and accent walls. Experience high-performance green features including a tankless hot water heater, dual-zone heating and air system with Ecobee Smart Thermostats, and pre-wired connectivity for fast electric vehicle charging. Imagine hosting gatherings with friends and family in this ultimate entertainer's dream. With a cozy wraparound deck, a charming outdoor patio, and a spacious backyard, there's ample room for everyone to spread out, relax, and enjoy nature. The fully fenced and landscaped backyard is perfect for gardening or for grilling up freshly grown veggies. Nestled in the highly desirable Oakley neighborhood, this home is situated on a private road, giving you the sense of being tucked away while remaining conveniently close to schools, downtown Asheville, Biltmore Village, and all your shopping, dining, and entertainment needs. Schedule your showing today and see all that 33 Lamar Avenue has to offer.